Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install an eSIM for Trinidad and Tobago. This is a very simple thing to do, and also make sure to stay till the end of the video so we can show you step by step of how to install the eSIM itself. But basically what we're going to be using is the eSIM.app platform, and you can find the link in the description. So open up the description of this video down below, and the first link you're going to see is going to take you to the eSIM app platform. I'm using the mobile application right here, and it's going to enable me to take a look at all the data plans we have. So select which data plan is the best offer for you. Usually it's the best offer for 1 month. So we're going to select the 1 month option right here and get that data plan. We're going to go to the checkout option. This is going to enable us to select the checkout payment option. Let's say Apple Pay, and once you make the purchase successfully and you purchase the eSIM, now we can get started installing it. So the process is pretty similar. It doesn't matter if you're on iPhone or Android. We're going to be showing you both. So what we're going to do is open up the eSIM application and access the eSIM page, after which we can click the install button right here. This is going to enable us to tap the add cellular plan option and select what kind of mobile data we want to use. You can select the eSIM plan, after which for the default line you can select primary. Then you can turn on these two options right here. Make sure to check turn on this line, and also to enable data roaming, as this is going to enable you for the eSIM to work. You can also add the eSIM by scanning the QR code. So you can go into your mobile settings and tap cellular, and then click to add a cellular plan, and once you click add a data plan you can use the QR option. So once you click use QR code, it's going to enable you to scan the code, and you can scan the code that you have gotten in the eSIM application and install it this way. It's also pretty similar for Android phones as well. So you're going to follow the instructions, go into the help page of the application, click eSIM installation, after which once you click that you can go into the install button. Select the install button and follow the steps. Go into your settings to go ahead and install the eSIM. So click SIM card manager and to add a mobile plan, after which we can get started. You can also install using a QR code just like on iPhone by going into the add mobile plan option, and in the SIM card manager option we can scan the QR code, which is going to enable us to turn on data roaming and install the eSIM this way. And this is 2 ways you can do so. So if you want to get your eSIM today, make sure to go into the description of this video below, access the first link you're going to see, and purchase the eSIMs today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.